Hello, everyone. This is Adarsh, and I'm a solution engineer at DataStax. How do you make your GenAI application more relevant? You measure, then improve. Most GenAI agents and RAG apps needs to test over 95% accuracy to reach production. With DataStax, you get everything you need to build, evaluate, and refine your retrieval results fast. In this demonstration, I am going to give you the tools and show you how to instantly measure retrieval accuracy, automatically generate ground truth datasets, debug, test, and fine tune fast, and iterate your way to 95% plus relevance and launch with confidence. No more guesswork, no more manual evaluation, just measurable results and better outcomes. Evaluating GenAI applications is essential to ensure their reliability, accuracy, and alignment with business expectations. Effective evaluation builds trust by verifying that the AI behaves as intended, validates performance against specific criteria, and helps identify potential risks such as biased outputs or privacy violations. A critical component of this evaluation is establishing a reliable ground truth, a set of verified data used to train and test AI apps. Today, I will walk you through the process of simplifying ground truth generation and demonstrate a toolkit specially designed for you guys to automate this task. In this context, the truth refers to the set of question and answer pairs that serve as a benchmark for evaluating and fine tuning model responses. Traditionally, creating these data sets involves manual efforts by subject matter experts, which is, you all know, is time consuming and not easily scalable. To address these challenges, we have built a toolkit that offers an automated solution. It leverages powerful LLMs to generate QA pairs from the data you already own, significantly reducing the manual workload. All right, let's get into the demo. For the demo purposes, I'm using a simple PDF file, but as you can see, you can represent your data in the form of array, or you can customize the toolkit to read other file formats. In this example, we'll be using Google Flash and passing these PDFs as images so that the chunks which gets generated are semantic. The content structure inside the page don't affect the meaning of the data, and it also simply parses the table structures and the graphs which are there as form of images correctly without information loss. Let's create the ground truth dataset. Now, while it's running, you can see that you can store the ground truth dataset as a CSV file as well as on Astra DB so that you can keep updating your dataset across your organization at scale. Once that completes, you will have a CSV file with your own ground truth created using your own data. How simple was it, isn't it? Now that the data set is with us, the next step is to test how accurate these LLMs are and measure the performance objectively. All that is left is for us to run our evaluator. Once the evaluator ends using the dataset, the ground truth dataset you just created, you will see a web page like this. It will contain all the necessary matrices, all the necessary evaluation matrices that the developer will need to ensure that the agents are ready for production, like precision, claim recall, sensitivity, hallucination, and faithfulness. In summary, automating ground truth generation is crucial for enhancing the efficiency and scalability of your applications. The Testing RAG Toolkit streamlines this process by utilizing better reasoning LLMs to create question and answer pairs from existing documents, significantly reducing manual effort. Its integration with Astra DB ensures efficient data management, while comprehensive evaluation metrics assess the accuracy and relevance of your RAG applications, as well as AI agents. Implementing such tools allows organizations like yourself or developers like yourself to develop and refine RAG applications more effectively, ensuring that they provide precise and reliable information always. While automated tools like Testing RAG Toolkit significantly streamlines the creation of ground truth datasets, incorporating a human in the loop approach remains essential. Human oversight ensures that the generated Q&A pairs are accurate and they accurately reflect domain-specific nuances and your organizational standards. With that, thanks for sticking around, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy building!